Mistake, baby, I've been in the dark. Came from so many problems, look up at the start.
Welcome back to the channel. So, it is tricky for me to hold this, but I'm gonna maybe try and get a head camera or something. So, we just literally, fingertips, pull the thing away from this little bit of the lip here of the trim. Then you'll see the little metal clip. See the little metal clip? Pull the airbag down and then press the focus. That we remove up from the plastic trim here where I'm pointing. And then you do that, and then the one further down, and the pillar comes off. Alrighty.
What Sydney City's about? Have a look at me, brother. The personification of it, you know? Yeah, we do say, g'day mate, shrimp in the fucking barbie or whatever the fuck you think we say here. But we also talk like me. I am Australia, I'm Sydney City, lad. We're storming bar. We're not to be fucked with.
Hey, look, mama, I came up. Cold as hell in New York, but I flame up. Straight up out that dirty type of shit you cannot clean up. $1 in a drain, the only things I had to bring up. Now any nigga out there gunning for me, gotta aim up. Say what? Niggas.
Installer number 1.
I'm security guard, brother.
Installer number 2. He's got the best job sitting on the fucking chair. Spitting orders. Engine noise?